And in here we talk about the standard effect for the video and audio. First we talk about the video effect. That's the motion in here. The motion, we close it here first, and in here the position, we have the position, the clip's position based on the program video in here, and the position is it calculated from the angle point from the clip's angle point here. This is the angle point from the clip. As you see, you can change the angle point position inside the clip, but in here we talk about the position about the clip in the program panel. In here that's the video output. Like this one, we move the ankle or move the clip to the upper left corner in here, so they show me a number here. We can put it in 0, like the position. That means in the upper left corner in here, that's the program panel video output position 0, 0 in here. So it's the like the number in here, that's the x-axis. The x-axis from 0 in here increase in to the right side, and the y-axis, the 0 in here, down, increase the number. Another one, if you move it to the x-axis, like I put it in 300 for example, that means I will move it horizontally from here about 300 about here. So I move the clip to this position horizontally in the x-axis. We press enter key. You see the clip move in here. Same thing even in the y-axis, we can make it and 250. So I can move the clip down about this. Let's press enter and check it. Here you see it moved to here. That means moved in the x-axis 300, y-axis 250 in this position. As you see, you can draw the clip, move its position in this way, so the position change, the value change in here. And here for the scale, you can scale the clip. You can scale the clip directly, manipulated in the program panel here on the clip. You can scale it down, up like this, so you can scale it. And same thing, if you want, you can just put the number on it, 50% from the original clip size. Or if you want, you can draw on the number here, draw the number left and right to change the value on it, like this way. And in here we have the option uniform scale. When you enable in here, they have been scaled uniformly like this. You cannot change the height and width independently. And if you deselect this option, so you can change it, make it higher, wider like this, so you can change it the way you want like this. And here we put it back to uniform scale, so you can make it like this, scale it up or down like this. And here we have the rotation. We can expand this. You can draw on here to rotate the file, rotate the clip. When the number in here, this is the number degree, 44 degree, that's the clockwise in this direction. When this number is minus, that means counterclockwise in this direction. So you can rotate the clip in the program panel here, or if you want, you can directly move the cursor in here. You can rotate it the way you want, and also you can set the keyframe on it in different position to make some motion on it. I'll show you later how to use the keyframing here. And here for the angle point, this is the angle point position. By default, the angle point position is in the center of the clip. In the center of the clip here, we have the number in here, that's 360 pi in the x-axis and 240 y-axis inside the clip. We check it, we reset this, we check it, this the angle point here. You see the angle point icon in here, so you can change the angle point icon. For example, in here I change to 0 x-axis and y-axis. This is the position inside the clips. And here the position is the position about the clip's angle point in the program panel, the video output. The 00 position is in here for the video output, and the angle point 00 is in the clip's upper left corner here. So when you change the angle point 00 inside the clip here, you move the clip, the position move in here. Here you see the number move. And if you change the angle point inside the clip, for example 200, the angle point still in the same place as the position on the program panel here, and the clip actually moved it to the left side like this. You can change the y-axis like this, so you can change it so the clip move. And when you combine with the position, scale, rotation, and angle point position, you can make some very special effect, like the camera zoom in, zoom out, camera pan, like this the effect, or even more for some animation on this, just using a single still image, so you can make some visual effect on it. And here the angle point, what's that mean? Sometimes I can call this the angle point, or I call this the action point, the action position. That means the position, the action comes from the position, like the rotation. Here you see the rotate, this clip rotate from the angle point here. If I change the angle point to 0 and 0 in the clip here, so I rotate the clip, so it rotates from the angle point here. That's the action point, I call this. And scale, something, scale it from the angle point here, scale it up, down like this, move it like this. So you can combine both with all this to make some special effect, motion effect in here. And in here we can reset it. This is the reset button, so we can reset the position, scale, rotation, and angle point. When you click it, this will reset this motion filter, the motion effect, reset its parameter in the clip here. And here we talk about the anti-flicker filter. The anti-flicker filter, we take another clip like this one. This is a still image. In this one, we select it, we check it 100% like this, and in here we have the 1 pixel horizontal line. That means when this picture display on the TV screen, this line, this thin horizontal line will appear flickery. That's not a good thing for your video output. And if you want to use this file, so you have to make it remove the flicker. So the option in here, you can right click on the clip and you can select few options in here, and you can select the option flicker removal. That means they will blur it up the thin line like this, blur it up, so this will not flickery display on the TV screen. But in here you cannot take more control more than this. You just enable or disable like this. And if you want to make more control about the blurriness and whatever you want to change here, and you want to set the keyframe inside the clip, so you can make another way. That's the anti-flicker filter inside the clip. So we go back to none to here. So here a thin horizontal line 1 pixel, and we can expand the motion effect in here, and here anti-flicker filter. That's the same result, but this give you more control on the blurriness in here. Like the one, every video clip or still image clip here, they have already built in the anti-flicker filter, but with the number 0, that means they have not actually applied any effect on the clip. They just put the effect on it, and they have not applied on it. And if you adjust the variable in here, like the one, you adjust them. That means once you adjust, even you adjust a little bit, just 0.01, they have already applied on it. They taking effect on this filter. Like the one, you can move it, take control, how many you want to blur the light in here, so you can adjust it like this. More you blur it, they will better in display on the TV screen. They will not appear flickery, but the image overall they will blur it. So this gives some kind of out of focus. So the rule to use the anti-flicker in here is keeping the minimum value that they will not flickery display on the TV screen. They're keeping the minimum value, and somehow you can set the keyframe using the keyframing to set the number and set the how many you want to set it between the duration on the clip inside the clip here. So you can make a keyframing like this. And if your video output is just for computer output, that means display on the computer only, so you don't need to care about the flicker in here, because the computer display the full frame at the same time, unlike the TV screen display two fields to make up one frame. So they have no problem display on a computer screen. So you just put it back to zero, or you just leave it as zero, don't apply on it, because once you apply the effect in here, overall the image will be blurred up, and they have also take more power processing on the clip here. So if not necessary display on the TV screen or whatever, you don't enable it, you don't apply it, they just leave zero in here. And here this is the motion effect, the standard effect for video clip. And also they have the opacity. When in here that's 100% opacity, that means you cannot see the clip under it. Like the one in here, you cannot see the clip, this clip under it. When you change its opacity like this, so you can see the clip under the clip, you select it like the one, you can see it. So you can make it semi-transparent, more or less, so you can take control on it. And here if you put it on totally zero, so that means it's totally transparent, so you can see the image under on it 100%, or list like this, totally 100%, so you cannot see the image under it, except you do some clear effect to make portion of the clip transparent to see through it for the video composition. And that's I will show you later how to use the keying effect to make some composition. Okay, here this is the video effect, the standard video effect. And how about the audio effect? The standard audio effect, we check it in here. In here we have this movie file. They have the audio clip here, so they show you the audio effect in here. The standard audio effect, that's the volume. You can expand it in this way, like this one. In the level, the number is zero, that means they have not increased, not decreased the original audio volume from this audio clip. And if you adjust its parameter in here to the left side, in here they have the number minus 14.8 decibel. That means this will decrease the clip's volume by 14.8 decibel. And if you move it to the left side more, so that means they have been decreased the volume from the clip's volume by 28.2 decibel. And in here if you move it totally minus infinity decibel, that means totally mute it, totally silent. You cannot hear any audio from this clip, because the volume has been totally silent in this way. And of course, if you want to increase the clip's volume, so you can move it to the right side here. In this case, there's 3.6 decibel. That means they have been increased this audio clip's volume by 3.6 decibel in here. And if you want, you can move it up to 6 decibel, increase the clip's volume inside the clip's volume in here. Okay, this is the parameter, the standard parameter for video effect and audio effect in here.